Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series about domain and range. No? Natapos na natin pag-aralan yung mga radical functions. So dito pag-aaralan naman natin ay yung mga rational functions. No? Now, hindi ko na i-define yung rational functions. Basta hanapin nyo na lang yan sa Wikipedia or sa mga books ninyo. No? Or sa internet. No? Kasi hahaba pa yung discussion natin. But, lahat ng mga pag-aaralan natin in the next videos ay rational functions muna bago tayo lumipat sa ibang functions. Now, the first rational function na pinag-aralan natin ay ang function na f of x equals 1 over x. No? And sabi natin, ang domain nito, hindi kasama yung 0. No? So, because 1 over 0 is undefined. No? Remember that the domain is a set of values of x that will make the function defined. So, pag 0, hindi siya defined, meaning the domain, our domain is a set of real numbers, no? Such that x is not equal to 0. Now, hindi na tayo gagamit ng set notation, no? Kasi usually ang ginagamit dyan is the interval notation. So, aralin natin kung hindi nyo pa naaral, but kung naaral nyo na, I think this will be easy. No? So bawal ang 0. No? Ibig sabihin, itong bilog na to na walang kulay, hindi kasama yung 0. Pero lahat ng numbers from here, no? Sa pinakakaliwa natin, although wala tayong pinakakaliwa kasi infinitely long naman yung line na yan. No? And from here hanggang sa pinakakanan. No? So this is negative infinity, no? Yung papuntahan yan. Tapos ito naman positive infinity. So from negative infinity to 0, no? Yung domain nito is from negative infinity to 0. Yun, yung symbol na yan. From negative infinity to 0, lahat ng numbers dyan. And then, yung ito naman, this part, is from 0 up to infinity. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, ano siya, parenthesis, kasi hindi kasama yung 0. Now, pag halimbawa, meron kang kasama yung 0, from 3 to 4, kunwari, o 3 to 10. Pag kasama yung 3, no, ang nilalagay natin is square bracket. No? Pag hindi kasama, parenthesis. Kaya meron tayong parenthesis dito. Now, disjoint sets yan sila. No? So, ang gagawin natin, usually union. No? Hindi usually, but we put union. So, in some cases, yung mga teachers, minsan, ina-accept na nila yan na comma. No? So, from negative infinity to 0, then comma, 0 to infinity. No? But more formally, nilagay natin yung union sign. No? A union of two sets. Now, yung ating domain. Now, here, sa second function, we have, again, the denominator cannot be 0. So, yung buong ito cannot be 0 yan. So, kailan ba yan magiging 0? That is if x minus 2 is equal to 0. Kailan siya nagiging 0? So, meaning x is equal to 2. Mag-plus 2 ako dito. Parang equation lang to, diba? So, pag nag-plus 2 ako dito, nag-plus 2 ako dito, x equals 2. Bawal to. Bawal. So, meaning, x is not equal to 2. Yung domain niya. No? Bawal yung 2. Kasi pag nag-2 ka nga, 2 minus 2 is 0. So, 1 over 0 is undefined. So, meaning, ito bawal yung 0. Ito 2 naman ang bawal. So, pag may number line ka dito, this is your 0, this is your 2. So, ang 2 naman yung bawal. So, ang pwede is from negative infinity up to 2. From negative infinity up to 2. Tapos, from 2 up to infinity. Okay? This is the union again. And lastly, we have h of x equals 1 over x squared plus 4. And as usual, bawal yung denominator na 0. So, x squared minus 4 equals 0. Then, factoring, we have x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals 0. Difference of 2 squares. No? And then, equating both numbers by 0, x plus 2 equals 0. Meaning, x equals negative 2. And x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. So, bawal yung negative 2 tsaka bawal yung 2. No? So, meaning, Actually, pag nasagot nyo na to, magiging not equal na yan. No? Ibig sabihin pala nito, x not equal to 2, yung domain niya. X is not equal to 2. Itong dalawa, x not equal to negative 2, x not equal to 2 pa rin. Yun yung domain niya. But in interval notation, ano ibig sabihin nito? So, pag ito yung number line mo, hindi ka pwede sa negative 2, hindi ka rin pwede sa 2. So, bilugan natin yung dalawang yan. So, saan tayo pwede? Una, from negative, ito ko na ilagay yung domain sa baba. So, from negative infinity up to negative 2. So, from negative infinity up to negative 2. Kasama ba yung negative 2? Hindi. So, parenthesis. Tapos, from negative 2 to 2. Negative 2 up to 2. Kasama ba yung dalawang yan? Hindi pa rin. No? So, palagi siyang parenthesis. And then, from 2 up to infinity. So, tatlong hiwa-hiwalay na intervals. So, magiging, yun lang natin lahat yan. At ito na yung ating domain. Okay? So, magtataka kayo, bakit, ano kayo itsura nito, ang klaseng function yan, ganyan. Well, we can see, no, the graphs. So, unahin muna natin yung 1 over x. Bawal yung 0, di ba? Bawal yung 0. Ibig sabihin, wala tayong graph na nagpa-pass through sa x equals 0. So, actually, this is the graph of 1 over x. No? Ginraph ko na para mabilis tayo. Ano ibig sabihin ng x not equal to 0? Tignan natin yung x-axis. Nasaan yung x equals 0? Actually, x equals 0 is the y-axis, no? Kasi, sinabi mo x equals 1, kunwari, x equals 1. Nasaan ang x equals 1? It's a vertical line passing through 1, di ba? So, x equals negative 1 is also a vertical line passing through negative 1. And x equals 0 is a vertical line passing through x equals 0. No? So, ito siya. So, kung bawal ang 0, ibig sabihin, yung graph mo, hindi siya nagko-cross dyan sa line na yan. Hindi siya nag-i-intersect. Kaya kung makikita nyo pataas siya ng pataas, palapit yan ng palapit. No? Minsan sa drawing, makikita mo halos magdikit na. But in reality, hindi yan nagdidikit. No? In fact, if you zoom in, if you zoom in as much as you can, if you zoom in enough, you'll see na hindi sila nagdidikit. Okay? So, yan yung x not equal to 0. Now, kung makikita mo yung kanyang range, no? Although hindi natin diniscuss yung range. Yung range, ibawal din siya dito sa y equals 0. Ang y equals 0 is the x. Nakapatong siya sa x-axis. No? So, pag ano din siya, palapit din siya ng palapit. But it's not intersecting the line. Actually, ang tawag natin dyan asymptotes. So, we have a horizontal asymptote and a vertical asymptote. I-discuss natin yan later, no, sa pre-calculus. But as of now, no. So, if you want, you can search for it. No? Now, for the second function, we have actually almost similar sila no, ng first function. X minus 2 lang to, no? 1 over x minus 2. So, bawal naman siya sa x equals 2. No? So, actually, ginraph ko na to. Let me check the algebra view. Okay, so alisin ko muna tong kulay green. Ito naman tayo sa x minus 2. Actually, the appearance of the graph, shape actually is very similar to that of the previous graph. Yun nga lang, nandito yung vertical asymptote niya. Bawal siya sa x equals 2. And for the third graph, we have dalawa yung bawal siya, di ba? Naalala nyo? Bawal siya sa x equals negative 2. Bawal din siya dito. Actually, pag sa set notation nito, hindi ko matiis, ano? X such that x is not equal to 0. No? Tapos ito, x such that x is not equal to 2. So, yung naging equal nyo, kung mapapansin nyo, yung equal dito, tinetest mo kung alin yung equal siya. Tapos, pag natest mo na, yun na yung bawal. No? So, don't be confused. Okay, so for the third equation or third function, bawal ang negative 2 tsaka 2. Tignan natin yung graph. Okay, tsura niyan. Okay. Alisin ko muna itong, ito yung 1 over x squared minus 4, di ba? Ito yung dalawa yung, ayan. So, bawal siya sa negative 2, tsaka bawal siya sa 2. So, yung domain niya is from negative infinity to negative 2. And then, itong part na to is from negative 2 to 2. At yung part na to is from from 2 to infinity. Okay, so that's it for our first video on domain of rational functions. No? Hindi natin i-discuss yung range kasi mahirap i-discuss yung range. Parang napakahirap, ang tagal ng discussion dyan kung gusto nyo i-discuss algebraically. So, ang pinakamadali dyan is to graph. Okay, that's it. I hope mayroon ka natutunan sa video na to. Gusto kayo invite sa zipline.com yung ating website. At kung kayo ay nanonood nito sa YouTube, meron tayong YouTube channel, yung Zip9. Type nyo lang, search nyo sa YouTube, marami na tayong videos. And then you can subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.